Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the title, this is going to be a video about unboxing package from Lion brand. I placed my order on their website when I was back at my hometown. So obviously I'm back here right now. I just came back yesterday, still very tired, still jet lagged, but I really want to do this video. So I was scrolling Instagram and I saw someone post that Lion brand were having promotion on their Shaolin ball. Buy 5 skein for $10. So of course I immediately logged in the website. I was in the restaurant eating at that time and log in to the website. I placed my first order and I don't remember how many yarn did I purchase at the first box, and also the second box I don't quite remember how many skein, but this is the first box. Alright, this box arrived August 2nd and the second box arrived August 6th. Okay, so I opened, but I haven't really go through everything inside, and yeah, pretty excited. I've been waiting 2 weeks for to open this package. So once I arrived yesterday, I took a very long sleep but still very tired, and right now I have the energy and time to do this video. Okay, so I'm so sorry if I'm everywhere because my mind is still very tired, physically still very tired. I just done unpacking 2 luggages. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got, okay, before I start to talk too much. Okay, so I took all the yarns out from the first box. There's total of 16 skein. There's 5 colorway of the Shaolin ball, 2 skein each, and I bought 6 skein of this basic stitch. Okay, so the first Shaolin ball, the first colorway is this Grace full green, and this is how it looks like. I bought 2, and this is how it looks like when you knit up, the sample right there. So a little bit details. It is right here is showing medium weight number 4, but this is a pretty thin yarn. I will consider this as lightweight number 3. 150 grams or 5.3 ounce per skein. There's 473 meters or 518 yards. The fiber content, it is 61% cotton, 34% acrylic, and 5% other fiber. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This has that shiny metallic going on right there. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, so the second colorway is this Feng Shui gray. This doesn't have the shiny metallic on it, so this is just a basic gray, gradients of gray. Okay, so 2 skein of this. Next, this is with the metallic. The colorway is Prism, and this is how it looks like. I love it. And I got 2 of this as well. The next colorway is Pastel Pixie. That's how it looks like once it's knit up. And this is how it looks like. And I got 2 of these. And lastly, for the Shaolin ball in box number 1, my favorite of all is this colorway, Calming Desert. Okay, that's how it looks like, and this is how it looks like once it knit up, and the pattern right there. I think I'm gonna try that as well. And look at that. I love it. Okay, so now this basic stitch anti-peeling, I got 2 of these. This is $4.99 each, and 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, 185 yards or 170 meter, 100% acrylic, medium weight, number 4. Okay, so this is anti-peeling, what it say right there, and it is pretty soft, but not as soft as I do not like to compare, but it is not as soft as the Premier Yarn anti-peeling, but still softer than other acrylic yarn. Okay, so I got 2 of this color. The yellow color, the colorway is Lemonade right there, $4.99 each. And I got 1 this is also anti-peeling. This is softer than this. Okay, so this is 100% acrylic, medium weight, number 4, 3 ounce or 85 gram, 157 yards or 144 meters. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and the colorway is tan/white. So lastly, I got 3 of these variegated yarn. This is also the basic stitch anti-peeling. This is softer than this one right here. So out of 3 of these anti-peeling, this is the less soft and this is the softest, and this is in the between of both. Okay, so I got 1 of each color. I got, this is a medium weight, number 4. This is also 3 ounce, 85 gram, 153 yards or 140 meters, 100% acrylic, and this is how it looks like. Very, very soft, and the colorway is Rosewood. Okay, so next is this. That's how it looks like, and the colorway is South Wind. And lastly, in box number 1, this is how it looks like, and it is the colorway Old Stone. Okay, so that's all in box number 1, total of 16 skein. So next I'm going to take all the yarn from box number 2 and I'm going to show you what's in it. Okay, so this is what's in box number 2. There's only total of 10 skein of yarn. Okay, so I got 2 skein of this. This colorway is Calming Desert. Oh, so I bought extra 2 of these. I already I show you at box number 1. Okay, so now I have 4 Calming Desert. Okay, so when I placed my first order the day before this, I totally forgot which colorway I got, so I guess I fall in love with this color. That's why I got extra Calming Desert. So I have total 4 skein now, and this one with the sparkle, cleansing squirts. Cleansing squirts, that's how it looks like. There's black, light brown, brown. Okay, so next is this. I also got this at my first box. Pastel Pixie. From the outlook of it, it looks totally different. This is more blue. This one has more purple, but inside there's the purple, and in here there's the blue. Okay, looks like I have extra 2 of this pastel pink. Now I have total 4 pastel pink. I don't even realize that I placed order on the same yarn. And same goes to this. I did order 2 skein of this prism from box number 1, and looks like I ordered extra 4 skein. So pretty much it's a repeat order except for this one right here. Okay, so that's all for now. These are all the yarn from Lion brand, from box 1. This is also box 1, and this one's from box 2. Most of it, as I mentioned, it's a repeat order. And I'm gonna turn the camera and talk to you before I stop the video. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click on the bell notification. That way you will be notified every time when I upload video. And also don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye.
Bye.